大家好，欢迎你们到 The Chinese Niger. Hello everyone, welcome you back to The Chinese Niger. Okay, so today we are continuing with our 900 Chinese sentence challenge. And today we already done 1 to 40. So today we are continuing on sentence 41. Okay, sentence 41 is this one. We said 我19岁了，我19岁了 which means 我19岁了 she is 10, while 9 is 9. So 19 is 19. Then 岁 is years old. So I am 19 years old. Okay, so 我19岁了 I'm 19 years old. Then for 42 he said 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐 which means wish you birthday happy, which in correct English happy birthday to you. So 祝你生日快乐. Actually this you can also use it to sing happy birthday to your friends that celebrated their birthday. You say 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐. Just like in English, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So okay, that is Chinese version. Okay, our 43 sentence is 这是我们的一点心意，这是我们的一点心意 which means it's just a small gift. So this is our little gift. Okay, Shin means what? Heart. So Shi is what meaning. So heart meaning, which means like when someone gives you something, of course the person give you the same with his or her heart. Okay, so it's like what I'm trying to express my heart by giving you a gift, that kind of. So but it's just one just a little way of expressing my heart. So that just the meaning. So just a woman that 一点心意. Okay, 44 is what? 祝你健康长寿，祝你健康长寿 which means I wish you a long and healthy life. This is one we use to also wish someone happy birthday. When you're wishing someone happy birthday, like the wishes, you can say I wish you long life and healthy life. And also you normally use this for older people too. Like you want to wish your teacher, your old ones, say that you wish you long life. Of course, can also wish a younger person long life and all that. But mostly used for the old ones. Then the next one, 45, is 我妈妈向你问好，我妈妈向你问好 which means my mom towards you acts good, which is the correct English. My mom sent her regards. My mom sent her regards. If you want to say 我爸爸 say 我爸爸向你问好. If you say your sister 我姐姐向你问好 like that. When someone, for example, when someone asks of your friend, maybe you go home and your mom be like, what about your friend? I sent my regards to her. Yeah. So when you now go back and tell your friend, 我妈妈向你问好. That is my mom sent her regards. Okay, so that's all for today. That is 41 to what? 41 to 45. Okay, see you next time. 再见.